Hello. So if you want to run wait for form task and resume, so let me just run this particular file. And if you are facing whatever the exception that I'm facing right now, then it can be fixed just like that. Let me just show you how we can fix this particular exception. So before getting into the video, if you're watching my channel for the first time, I'm Harika and I make videos on UiPath and Robocop. So if you like the videos, please do consider subscribing and also share across your friends. Don't forget to like the videos and also comment below. Thank you so much. So with that, let's get into the video and see how we can actually resolve this. So you might be wondered by looking at that particular exception, right? And also if you wanted to just take this from the managed packages, you cannot get that done either. And you might be wondering, you might have all the prerequisite activities that you need to work by using this particular activity, like form activity library and the persistence activities. But this exception comes for one reason, because this process, it will wait for that particular task and we need to enable few settings in the project. Okay. So what you can do is just make sure that you are inside the project. Okay. In the project settings, go for project settings. And here under general, you can see starts in background. Just try to enable this. So once after you enable this option, it will start the process in the background and it will run concurrently with other processes as long as it does not use UI interactions, right? So we should enable this starts in background, and we also have to enable the persistence. So these are the both things that we should enable and click on OK. Once after that's done, just try to run. So we can see that the process has started execution and the task has created. We don't need anything else other than these two settings that needs to be done in the project settings. So just that's it. We have fixed the issue and you can go ahead and do the rest of it. So in the previous video, I have shown you how we can actually create a form task. In the coming video, I will show you how we can use wait for form task and resume. So if you want to learn, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.